Why does your scanner show the P0735 engine code? What does it mean? P0735 is a diagnostic trouble code for gear 5 incorrect ratio. It indicates an incorrect gear ratio in the transmission, usually in 5th gear. It can be triggered when shifting into 5th gear or while driving in that gear. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Transmission failure. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM failure. Transmission fluid. Shift solenoid failure. Wiring issues. Clogged fluid filter. Worn out pump. Internal blockage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code can appear in a wide range of vehicles equipped with automatic transmissions. Common vehicles are Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Ford, GM, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and in Hyundai models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.